Welcome to the Greenstar installation video. Today we'll cover proper installation and setup of the Greenstar boiler. The Greenstar boiler has over a 20-year history in the highly competitive European market. It's the #1 selling boiler in the UK, a market 7 times larger than the US hydronic market. Its small footprint, versatile installation, and superior control package make this the ideal product for both replacement and new installations. As far as heating and hot water requirements are concerned, every household is different. This is why the new Bosch Greenstar range is available in 2 types of boilers, a combi boiler and a regular boiler. A combi, or combination boiler, is a high-efficiency water heater and space heating boiler combined within one compact unit. Water is heated directly from the mains, eliminating the need for a hot water storage tank. The regular boiler, sometimes referred to as traditional or conventional boilers, are suitable for homes that already have traditional heating and hot water systems that require a separate hot water tank. Regular boilers are also compatible with solar water heating systems to bring you the added benefits of environmentally friendly hot water and further cost savings. The Greenstar line consists of 6 boilers, 4 of which are space heating boilers, and 2 are combi. The Greenstar regular boilers are available in 57, 100, 131, and 151,000 BTU capacities. The Greenstar combi boilers are available in 100 and 151,000 BTU capacity. Please note, the maximum domestic hot water flow at a 72-degree rise for the combi 100 is 2.65 gallons per minute, and 4 gallons per minute for the combi 151. Keep this in mind when sizing these boilers. The model numbers and part numbers for each boiler is noted at the top of this chart. Please note, if you would like additional boiler specifications, all Greenstar boiler installation manuals, brochures, and spec sheets are included in this training video. To download them, just click on the Attachments tab located on the left-hand side of this screen. This installation video will detail the combi boiler in 2 types of applications. The first is a single loop using low-pressure baseboard heat and the FW200 as a room controller. The second is a common primary-secondary loop with third-party zone control valves.